Today let's make cucumber buttermilk. Very simple and very easy to make. All the ingredients you need to put it in the blender and blend together, and that's it, it's ready. Now in the blender I'm adding in cucumber, then goes in some handful mint leaves, coriander leaves and green chilies. If you like your buttermilk more spicy, you can increase the green chilies. Next I'm adding in some basic spices like salt, pink salt, cumin powder, chaat masala, and then you need to add yogurt as well or curd to the same blender and add in water, and your buttermilk is ready. If you like your buttermilk cold or chilled, you can add in ice cubes to the glass and then pour in your buttermilk. Buttermilk is good for your gut health. It improves immunity, it cools your body, it's very good for your digestion as well. You would have tried different types of buttermilk. I would suggest you trying this cucumber buttermilk as well. Try this and let me know your feedback in the comments below. If you like my recipe, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. As I always say, enjoy your food and enjoy.